I show you a quick way to create the cheapest and most comfortable earplugs for surfing, music, sleeping, or else. I ordered this silicone rubber, type 8, medium hard, and all I have to do is mix up the two components in equal amounts. So I make 2 balls of them, and I mix them up homogeneously. So there are other ways for surfing earplugs, but usually they are not customized, or they are expensive, or both. And if I make one earplug out of these, it's about 25 cents. Okay, now I have one homogeneous big ball, and I need one pointy end, which goes deeper into my ear. And I press the mass into my ear, and then I distribute it outside the actual ear tunnel to create a shape that will hold in the ear, even if I get wiped out in the white water. Okay, that's it. Took me about 1.5 minutes, and now I could go surfing, because this takes about 5 minutes to fully harden, and then I can reuse it as often as I want. Okay, this was the short version that you find in YouTube Shorts, and I give you a few more information now. It's important that none of it goes over the ear, like here, for example, because this is where the white water could catch and rip it out. So sometimes you have to cut off a little bit. Maybe I cut off this. Yeah, but I will try. It feels really tight. Should be fine, and this is good for taking it out or putting it in. When I did this at the professional, he created a small handle here to like take it out, but that's bullshit in my eyes. I think he was just trying to make it look more complicated, because as you saw, this is really easy. And yeah, it's 30 euros at the professional, or at least at my professional, and somehow he needed to show why it's so expensive. That's why he did a lot of talking and some other stuff and did this handle, but you don't need the handle. If you want to put it in, just go like that, and it helps to pull the ear here, and then it's in really easily. Put up that, and you feel it once it fits tightly, and you can get it out anyway. I could get it out from here. As you can see, you can get it out from here. Huh? When it's in, I can get it out from here. So this is it's really simple. It's really simple. Don't be afraid of it. If you need it, it's the perfect way to do it. Get the silicone rubber type 8, medium hard, and yeah, get the cheapest and most comfortable earplugs there are. Another thing about the shape, this end has to be so pointy for my specific ear tunnel, because it's so narrow because of the surfer's ear condition. You might start off with a less pointy end. Also, if you do this for the first time, it might be helpful to have a second person assisting you. If you're afraid of losing it, then you could even connect them with a small rope. Like before you mix the two components, you take a rope, make a big knot on one end, and integrate it into the earplug. So this would be another hack to make the possibility of losing them even less. And yeah, I've tried a lot of different earplugs, and these are by far the most comfortable, because they are customized. They have the perfect shape. As I said, this is 500 grams of silicone rubber type 8, medium hard. You can Google that and buy it in every country, I think. And it costs 25 euros. And if I assume that I can make 100 earplugs out of this, roughly, then one of them would be 25 cents. So there is really no cheaper way. And there's no more perfect way, because this is customized. This is if you go to a professional, he will do the exact same way with the exact same stuff. And those were 30 bucks each. And there are other solutions, like you can buy this mask, especially for surfing, and it's already the right amount in really small containers, and it's 25 euros for both. So they really make a hell lot of money with that. And just in case you didn't know, these are useful if not necessary if you go into the water a lot to prevent the ear tunnel to get thinner and thinner through the years and to avoid an operation. And unfortunately, I didn't do that in time. So I have both my ear tunnels are very narrow, and this was operated. And I made a video documentation about the operation and the process, and also after the operation, how it healed. So if you're interested in that as well, go to my channel and you will find the video there, and I'll link it down in the description as well. And I can only recommend get proper earplugs.
Just to make sure, I give you a quick disclaimer. I'm not a professional hearing aid technician nor a doctor, so you do this at your own risk. But I wouldn't put this on YouTube if I would consider the process to be problematic or risky. However, if you want to make sure, go to a professional or get serial earplugs. Thanks for watching. I hope I could help.